Hi, so these videos will show you how to carry out definition brow or HD brow. First, we are going to clean all around the brow area to get rid of any dirt, any bacteria, any oils, so that the tint goes on the best it can. So now I'm going to just do a quick mapping just to show you how I would make sure that the brow is at the right angle. So I'm just using an orange stick here. Now I'm going to go on to tinting the brows. So if you can see in my hand, there's a little dish, and in that dish I've put a 50-50 ratio of the developer and the colour to make the tint. And then I'm just popping it on the hairs nice and neatly. We don't want to go out of the line because it can dye the skin and then your client's not going to be very happy. It will come off though if you do dye the skin. Or you can use a Vaseline to pop underneath so that it acts like a barrier. The product I use is Beautiful Brows. I would 100% recommend this product. It's the best tint that I've ever used, and they've got all different shades. So this shade that I'm using on this client is a middle brown, just because she's got darker hair. So you can get natural middle brown, brown, black, black blue, which is really good. So each brand will have its own developing time. After it's developed, I'm going to just wipe it off with a cotton pad and water. Give it a really good wipe because I want to make sure we've got it all off. So now we are on to waxing. So make sure that you have checked it on your wrist so that you don't put it directly onto your client and burn your client's face. So you apply your wax in the direction of the hair growth, and then you will pull it off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So I wax in sections, starting with middle, and then I do a little bit underneath, then take that off, and then I will go right to the end. So threading. I thread the tops, you can thread the bottoms as well. I've done a separate video to show you how to get the thread right. Put one hand inside each end of the looped thread and then rotate it to get your hairs in there. Here I'm just going to brush up the brow and trim any hairs that need trimming to get a more precise look. Then I'm going to tweeze any little ones that didn't come out with the wax or the threading. Here I'm going to fill them in with powder. So any sparse areas, you're just filling them in with your eyebrow powder to give them that more defined look at the end. And this is your finished look. Any questions, please message me.